You want to make money clipping for speed? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to clip speed from his African tour live streams that he's been doing. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can get paid clipping exactly for speed. And I want to give a big shout out to Clip for sponsoring this video. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can make money clipping for speed with using Rekka, because this is a great opportunity. And of course, with Speed's content, it's going viral all over TikTok. So I'm going to show you guys how you can make a clip and start getting paid by Rekka AI. So first thing you want to do, you want to go down in the link in my description and you want to sign up for an account with Rekka AI, and this is all completely for free, no cost whatsoever. So first thing you need to do, you need to sign in to make an account, so go do that. And once you're signed in, you want to go to the bottom left and click Discord to join that, or I will also have that link down below in the description. So join their Discord. Once you're in the Discord community, basic rules, so make sure you go follow everything through that. And as you can see, if you were watching this video, there is an active campaign currently for Speed for live clipping him. And so here's all the different rules for Speed's clipping, and Rekka will pay you for posting these clips on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. And these clips are only for upcoming live streams of his African tour, and it's for live streams starting for after January 12th. They will not accept any clips from streams that are before that date. And you can get these live stream clips actually delivered to you in real time using Rekka Clip's website. So let's click this link. So once you're on their live stream tab on Rekka AI, this tool essentially will send you clips to your email. So join the waitlist and you will get clips delivered to you in real time. So if you want to post clips, not have to watch the streams or anything, you can do this method right here. And you can post these on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. And another great option is if you want to manually clip speed, that's another option. As you can see right here, Rekka AI says if you want to manually make your own clips instead of using our website, that is completely fine too. Just make sure our logo is on the video. See logo in this channel right here in Discord, and you can lower it to 80%, and it must be on the middle third of the screen. So click here, and this is the logo that you will put on your clips if you manually clip. So if you use CapCut, Premiere Pro, any tools like that, make sure you put this logo on there. And as you can see in the Discord community, there are tons and tons of clips already being submitted. And important rules down here: clips made without the Rekka Clip logo will not be accepted. So these clips have to have the logo, whether you use Rekka's websites or if you put the logo on it with using CapCut, Premiere Pro, stuff like that. And you want to make sure your clips have 30% plus viewers from tier 1 countries, and make sure in your caption you use hashtag Rekka Clip. And for payment details for this campaign, they are paying 15 cents per 1,000 views. Obviously it's lower because it's easier to go viral with using Speed's content. Total budget for this campaign is $3,000. Max payout is $800. So keep this all in mind. And as of right now, the campaign is at $526 out of $3,000. So if you're watching this video and the campaign's over, please keep in tune with the Rekka's Discord, because they constantly have new campaigns going on all the time. They've done clipping campaigns for Kai Cenat, for Neon. So keep that in mind. And just for proof, these are all of the different payouts that Rekka shows. This person got paid $12. This person got paid $111, $46, $186. This person got paid over $700. So keep this all in mind and make sure you follow the rules and everything. And for the most important part, you want to go to Command Guide and you want to add your social media accounts that you're going to be posting these clips on. And when you post a new clip, you want to add these new clips to here. And of course, with setting up payment, you want to set up your PayPal. This is how you will get paid from these clips. So this is an amazing opportunity for any of y'all that want to make money with clipping. You can clip Speed's African tour, so make sure you get on this as soon as possible. And so for any of you that want to manually clip, obviously go to one of these live streams, and it has to be after January 12th. So I'm going to click this live stream that is from today. So what we can do is we can watch this entirely. Of course, it's over 4 hours, so depending on how much time you have. So of course, since I couldn't find that white Speed part, I'm going to clip this part right here where it's Speed and his fans going crazy in Ethiopia. And so what you want to do is, if you have an iPhone, you want to use the screen recording tool, and you want to screen record the part that you want. In this case, I'm going to start screen recording this. I'm going to be using the snipping tool on my PC. And I'm going to screen record the part that I want, and then I'll show you guys what to do after. Now I'm going to save this to my PC, and then I'm going to take this into Premiere Pro for myself. You can use CapCut, which is a free program, or you could actually use the Premiere app on your phone, which is also free. So keep that in mind. Okay, so I currently have this speed clip now in Premiere Pro, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this so more of it is shown on the screen. I want a blurred background, so in Premiere Pro, I'm going to hold Alt, drag this up to duplicate it, and I'm going to select the lower layer, and I'm going to scale it all the way up, and then I'm going to add a Gaussian blur to the bottom layer to make it blurred, and now we have a blurred bottom layer. Next thing to do, I'm going to add a title card so the viewer has context, so we're going to change this fill color to black so we can see it. We're going to say speeds, fans going crazy in Ethiopia. And we're going to make this look a little nicer, so I'm going to change the font to Montserrat. We're going to add a white background. Again, do it to your own liking, but this is just the style that I like to do. We're going to put the text file for the entire video. As they stop cheering as much, I'm going to cut the video off right there, so it's about 23 seconds of a video. Nothing really is being said here, it's just a bunch of cheering, so I don't really need captions for this. So now I'm going to go back to here, click Record Clip Logo, and I'm going to save this to my PC and add this inside Premiere Pro. So I now have the logo inside of Premiere Pro, and as it said, it wants it in like about right here, so we're going to have it right here. And we're going to lower the opacity, as it said we can, to 85%. So go to Effect Controls, Opacity, then 85%. I'm going to lower it a little bit more just so it's not as much on the screen. So we're going to have it right here. And this is the entire clip right here. So let's export this, get it posted on TikTok, and submit this into the Discord. Okay, so I now have the clip posted on my TikTok account. I've had to post it from my phone because I do not remember the login, so I can't log into it on my PC. But as you can see, here's the clip, and have a short, simple caption. And of course, you want to make sure you have hashtag #RecAClip in here. And you can add a background music if you want. In this case, I did not. But now let's copy this link, go to the Discord and go to Command Guide, and we are going to add our clips. And this is after the fact you've added your account. So I'm going to copy and paste my TikTok URL. I'm going to hit enter, and now Clipify is processing our clip. And it has been added, and it is now going to track our views, and it will then pay us out when this campaign is all done. So make sure you guys get on this because you can add a ton of manual clips. So make sure you guys go try out this clipping opportunity because Speed has been going live a lot lately, and there is a ton of footage to clip from. And all of this is with using Reka AI, and you could also use this for other clipping things that you want to do. If it's with the TikTok Creator Rewards program or anything else, you could just copy and paste your YouTube video URL into here, and that's it. So make sure you guys go sign up for Reka AI, go try this out. And again, thank you Reka for sponsoring this video. And if y'all have any clipping questions, make sure you go join my Discord community, which is also free, where we can all give free value to one another, help each other out with making money online with clipping. So go join that. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you go watch other clipping videos across my channel because I love to give as much value as I can to you guys so you can make money online. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next video.